Okay, be honest. Have you ever walked into a store, opened your mouth to say something in English, and then nothing came out? Or worse, you said something so weird that everyone just stared at you. Yeah, me too. But guess what? Today, we're gonna fix that forever. Stay with us.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Always amazing? Max, you're being too nice today. What do you want?
Nothing. I just want to help our listeners sound more natural in English. And today, we're teaching the most useful everyday sentences and phrases you'll actually use in real life.
Exactly. Not boring textbook stuff. Real sentences. The kind you need at a coffee shop, at work, with friends, or even just walking down the street.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say in common situations. You'll feel more confident, and honestly, you'll sound like a native speaker.
So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's jump in.
All right, let's start simple. What's the first thing you say when you meet someone?
Hello?
Well, yes, but native speakers don't always say hello. We say things like, hey, hi there, or what's up?
Right. What's up is super common. But here's the thing, you don't need to answer it literally.
Exactly. If someone says, what's up, you can just say, hey, or not much, you, or even, hey, how's it going?
Let me give you a real example. Imagine you see your friend at a cafe. You walk in and say, hey, how's it going?
And your friend says, good, how about you?
See? Simple, natural. Now you try. Say it out loud. Hey, how's it going?
Don't be shy. Actually say it. This is how you practice.
Max and I can't hear you, but we believe in you.
Okay, next phrase. When someone asks, how are you? Most learners say, I'm fine, thank you.
And that's okay, but it sounds very formal, very textbook.
Native speakers usually say, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Or if you're feeling extra honest, you can say, I'm tired, I'm okay, or could be better.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Perfect. That's natural. That's what real people say.
Now let's talk about asking for help. This is super important because you'll need it everywhere.
Right. Imagine you're lost or you don't understand something. What do you say?
The most useful phrase is, excuse me, could you help me?
Or even shorter, excuse me, can you help me?
Both are polite, both are natural. You can also say, sorry to bother you, but could you help me with something?
That one's super polite. Use it if you're interrupting someone.
Now, if you don't understand something, don't just smile and nod. Please, don't do that.
We've all done it though.
Instead, say, sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it?
Or could you say that again, please?
Or if someone is speaking too fast, could you speak a bit slower, please?
These phrases are magic. They show you're learning and people will respect that.
Let's practice. Say, sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it?
Good job. Now you're ready for real conversations.
All right, let's go to everyone's favorite topic, food.
Oh, yes. Ordering food in English is so important.
Imagine you're at a cafe. You walk up to the counter. The person says, hi, what can I get for you today?
You can say, can I have a coffee, please?
Or, I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Or, could I get a sandwich and a water?
All of these are polite and natural.
Notice we always say, please. It's small, but it makes a big difference.
Now, what if you want to customize your order, like no sugar or extra milk?
You say, can I have a coffee with no sugar, please?
Or, could I get that with almond milk instead?
Easy, right?
Now, here's a fun one. When the person asks, for here or to go, what does that mean?
Good question. For here means you'll eat or drink there, inside.
To go means you'll take it with you.
In British English, we say takeaway instead of to go. But in American English, it's to go. Either way, people will understand.
Let's practice ordering. Imagine you're in a cafe. Say it out loud. Hi, can I have a latte, please?
Good. Now say, for here, please.
Excellent. You just ordered coffee in English. How does it feel?
I hope it feels great because you're doing awesome.
Before we finish, we have one bonus tip for you. Stay till the end.
This tip will help you sound even more natural. Don't go anywhere.
All right, let's quickly review everything we learned today.
First, greetings. Instead of I'm fine, thank you, say I'm good or not bad.
Second, asking for help. Say, excuse me, could you help me? Or, sorry, I didn't catch that.
Third, ordering food. Say, can I have a coffee please? And always use please.
Fourth, sharing opinions. Use I think, I feel like, or I see your point, but.
Fifth, saying thank you and sorry. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. My bad. I'm sorry.
And finally, small talk. Talk about the weather, the weekend, or ask, how was your day?
These phrases will help you every single day, in real life, in real conversations.
The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel.
Okay, here's the bonus tip we promised.
If you want to sound even more natural, listen to how native speakers connect their words.
We don't say, do you want to go? We say, do you want to go?
We don't say, I am going to the store. We say, I'm going to go to the store.
These are called contractions and reductions. Native speakers use them all the time.
You don't need to use them perfectly right away, but listen for them. Notice them.
The more you listen, the more natural your English will sound.
This is how you go from sounding like a textbook to sounding like a real person.
All right, everyone. We covered a lot today.
But don't feel overwhelmed. You don't need to memorize everything right now.
Just pick one or two phrases and start using them today.
Say them out loud. Use them in real conversations. Practice makes progress.
And remember, making mistakes is okay. That's how you learn.
Every native speaker you hear today was once a learner just like you.
You're doing amazing. Keep going.
Now, we want to hear from you. Which phrase are you going to use today? Tell us in the comments.
And if you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Next time, we're going to teach you how to keep a conversation going even when you don't know what to say.
It's going to be super useful. You don't want to miss it.
Thanks so much for listening, everyone.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.
See you soon.